Hi, welcome to CCMT Close Combat Martial Art Training. My name is Kim. Today I'm going to unboxing one of the greatest martial art in the world. It's a Bruce Lee collection on Blu-ray, so what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Okay folks, so this is the Bruce Lee, his greatest hits Criterion collection that I just got on Blu-ray. It's in a 4K restoration that I would like to show you guys this amazing collection. I would love to unboxing this for you. Just to show you how cool it is and all that stuff. So I grew up watching a lot of like kung fu films, kung fu TV series, a lot of movie and stuff like that. So Bruce Lee is one of my favorite greatest martial artists. I really respect him a lot. I felt like he's like a father of MMA and other martial art style, and he got me hooked into Wing Chun style. He's the one that started Wing Chun, and he got me into Wing Chun and a lot of martial art too because of his legacy. So I just kind of follow his footsteps a little bit. So yeah, I'm going to unboxing. This is for you right now. So what are you waiting for? Let's get into it or start it. Okay folks, so I'm going to unboxing this Bruce Lee, his greatest hit Criterion collection. So try to find a spot over here not to damage the box. So let me see over here, maybe right here. I'm going to cut a little bit over here, hopefully not slice my finger or anything like that, you know. So I really love Bruce Lee a lot, very much. So he's inspired me so much. I love his legacy and stuff like that. So yeah, he very inspired me and motivated me to do a lot of martial art style. And I started off with Wing Chun, and Wing Chun is one of the coolest martial art, you know. So it started off with the snake and crane fighting system. So here is the cover a little bit. See it? There you go. I'm gonna turn. And yeah, they're kind of so bright, so hope you guys can read it. Yeah, there you go. Let's see what do they have in the box. Okay, so in the box, it's kind of cool. Boom. Okay, so there you go. And I'm gonna put this box to the side real quick. I'm gonna open it up. I'm like, dang. So yeah, so we have, what do we have over here? So we got the Blu-ray, all Blu-ray, right? So we got the Big Boss. Let me try to show you guys a little bit. We got the Big Boss, Fist of Fury, and we got the Way of the Dragon, and we got Enter the Dragon. Okay, and we got, let me slide this up a little bit over here. We got Game of Death, and the last two discs, I think it's only like special feature and stuff like that, only supplement, right? So yeah, that's all they have for the disc. Let's try to slide these a little bit. Yeah, so that is the Bruce Lee collection. I cannot wait to watch this because I saw the trailer that it's very high definition, so it's like in 4K restoration and remaster. So I hope to you know, this is one of the coolest collection ever. I never have like Bruce Lee or anything on Blu-ray yet, so this is a Blu-ray collection. So yeah, so I'm very excited to start watching it. I love to watching his movies over and over again and again, and always find something new all the time, you know, when you're watching Bruce Lee movies. So we have yeah, the Big Boss on disc 1, disc 2 we have Fist of Fury, disc 3 we have the Way of the Dragons, disc 4 we have Enter the Dragon, disc 5 we have Game of Death, and the last 6 and 7, this 6, 7 is only special features, so it's pretty cool. So I really love to take care of my disc. I don't like to damage it or anything. So you're looking at the disc, you know, it's so freaking no scratch or anything. I love that. So it's amazing. So yeah, and always put it, you know, nice and neat in the case. Yep. So I think let's look at the cover real quick. Nice design, right? That's how you close it. Boom, bam, right? And put back in the box, in the case, nice and easy. And this is a collection, right? I forgot to show you the I think the pictures that they have it in the box too. So let's see, this like full color poster inside Bruce Lee, his greatest hit, the big boss, you know, Fist of Fury, The Way of the Dragon, Enter the Dragon, Game of Death. Man, all his movies super amazing. So I love his movie. I don't know, it's pretty cool. And table of content, you know, they're talking about the films, you know, and wow, this is cool booklet, you know, and got the big boss right here, the Fist of Fury right there, you know, and they just talk a little bit about those films. And next page we got The Way of the Dragon, Into the Dragon, and let's move on to the next page. Bam! Holy crap, man, it's just amazing. Oh, this is one of his oldest poster released for you know, for the movie back in 1970s. So we got, this is like one of the coolest design ever, you know. This is Enter the Dragon, you know. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Let's move on to the next page real quick. Oh, look at this, the dragon, Bruce Lee, the dragon, right? Dang. Let's move on to the next page. And we got more of his, you know, the Water and Vessel, the Kung Fu movies of Bruce Lee by Jeff Chang. Yep. I think, yeah, it's pretty awesome. Move to the next page. Yeah, this is some of his by Jeff Chang writing, you know, whatever. Didn't really care. All I care just about the movie. Yeah, I think that's it. And look at this. This is the coolest pose that in the Big Boss, right? It's amazing. Yeah, so I think that's it for this unboxing video. Until next time, Instructor Kim from CCMT Close Combat Martial Arts Training is peace.